Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a new video of Mr. Autobahn, the international car review show with a little German twist into it. And today I've got this car for you, the brand new Golf 8R from Volkswagen with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 320 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds and a top speed of 250, and if you've got the R performance package, it goes up to 270 kph. So it's really fast, and it's still a Golf. And you can see there's a nice Agrapovich exhaust system onto it, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's hop into the car, start it up, hear the sound of the Agrapovich, and then let's hit the road and of course the Autobahn. By the way, here's the key. So let's go. First of all, I go into mode. I'm already in sport. Let's go into race so you can listen to the sound. Oh yeah, some nice pops and bangs. So let's hit the road. Maybe we should start with a nice launch control. I'm already in race and now I have to go to this one. It's a little bit of a faff to turn off the ESP. You go here. Some nice German words here. Go to brakes and then ESC system into sport and you're ready to go. All right. Hold tight, hard on the brakes. Full gas, launch control, and here we go. Oh yeah, baby! 70, 80, 100. Oh my god, this is so fast. There was absolutely no wheel spin whatsoever. This thing is just crazy fast. We have got a Haldex all-wheel drive system on board. Bloody hell, this car is still very fast. Oh my god. Let's check the response of the engine. That's nice. You have got almost no turbo lag. The car is so immediate. I really like that. And of course, the Agrapovich exhaust system in the back is popping and banging. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's good. I really like the shift pedals on the new Golf 8R. They look so nice. For example, the GTI Club Sport has this like plastic shift pedals. It doesn't look very nice. This is really great. I like that a lot. Did I mention it goes really quick around corners? Oh my god, that's unbelievable. And do not crash into the caddy. Okay, let's go onto the Autobahn. Let's see how much traffic we have. I've put back on the ESC just in case, you know. Like I already said, 250 kph top speed and 270 kph if you've got the R performance package. So let's see what it does. 60 and power down. Oh yeah. Come on, little Golf. Hit it. Yeah, that's good. Pushing 200. Yeah, that's nice. It's just in one flow. Damn, 240, 250, that's still climbing, and now we've got some traffic. Yo, but that's so fast. I mean, it's still a Golf, you know, but you know, it's so emotionless, like it's really German, you know, it's going very fast, and yeah, there are no emotions. A little bit of the exhaust system, but that's it. Awesome. Okay, let's do it again. Oh yeah, push. Yeah, this thing is so fast, man. Unbelievable. Let's see if we can hit top speed. We've got the R performance package on board, so we should do 270 with ease. We're back at 250. It's just climbing. It goes uphill slightly, but it shouldn't be a problem. 260, 265, still climbing. 270 on the dash. Let's see how it goes. 275. Yeah, this is amazing. Can we do 280? We're almost there, and 280, absolutely no problem. 281, 283, and there is traffic and we have to brake. Damn it. This is pretty sick, I have to say. Awesome. By the way, very good braking system. I like that. Very, very nice. So all in all, the new Golf R, pretty freaking fast car. I mean, sweaty palms, that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also please hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell, and then we see us in the next video of Mr. Autobahn. See you next time. Bye bye.